Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the time I tried building an IKEA bookshelf and ended up assembling something that looked more like a modern art piece than furniture. Now imagine that, but someone decided to do it with a whole house. Yes, IKEA built a house, and no, it doesn't come with a free meatball buffet or an Allen wrench the size of a canoe paddle. Before we dive into this absurdly stylish box on wheels, smash that subscribe button, or I'll personally install a dilly bookcase in your living room at 3 a.m. So this little box of Scandinavian dreams is called the IKEA Tiny Home Project, and it's based on the Vista Boho XL by Escape. Those are the folks who make tiny homes look like they were designed by retired architects who now only drink fair trade oat milk. I believe this one looks like a yoga instructor and a Pinterest board had a baby and decided to live off-grid. Specs? You bet! It measures 187 square feet, 17.4 square meters, built on a double-axle trailer, and weighs just enough to make your pickup truck start sweating. It's got solar panels, low-flow plumbing, and even a mini-split HVAC system, which means you can live in it year-round, whether you're in Arizona or that weird, windy part of Nebraska where the tumbleweeds fight back. Under the hood, well, on the roof, are solar panels that power your lights, devices, and existential dread. Inside, you get a queen-size bed, 3-burner kitchen, and a fold-out table that transforms from dining space to office desk to awkward board game zone. I like the use of recycled materials and light wood tones. It's so IKEA, I half expected a guy in a yellow shirt to pop out and yell, "Hey!" The price? Around $63,350, 58,000 euros, if you want the whole IKEA-fied package. Or go for the base Escape Vista Boho XL, which starts at $47,550, 43,000 euros. But that won't include 12 decorative pillows or plants you'll forget to water. You can check it out at www.escapetraveler.net if you're curious or need design ideas for your next guest shed. Now, I think this tiny home is cool, but there's one catch. You'll never find anything you stored. Every compartment is secretly a drawer, and before you know it, your socks are in the spice rack and your forks are in the plant pot. But hey, I believe that's part of the charm.